Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into these two streaming platform, which is Hulu and Peacock, to help you decide which of these streaming service is better. So let's dive into it. Hulu is best known for its strong library of current TV shows, originals and movies, plus the option to bundle with Hulu Live TV for sport and live channel. It's great for people who want next day access to network shows and exclusive originals, making it a solid all-round choice for everyday streaming. While Peacock, on the other hand, stands out for its affordability, offering a free trial, low-cost subscription, and a big draw like live sport, NBC shows, and classic hit. It's perfect for budget-friendly views and sport fans, but doesn't have as wide as a varieties of original compared to Hulu. And here's the real conclusion: go with Hulu if you want more variety and a next day TV streaming, but pick Peacock if you want a cheaper option with sport and NBC classic. And that's it. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.